Okay. We are all muted down and ready to go, and today we're going to look at some ideas from Frederick Bales on health. So let's make our treatment this morning about health, perfect health, however it's measured in body and mind, and emotions and spirit, perfection. Let's keep in mind that dis-ease is the lack of ease. Health is the normal, natural state. And this is why Dr. Holmes says there is no healing, there's only a revealing. We are revealing the perfection that is already there, albeit clouded through our consciousness, clouded through our experience. But the perfection is there. So let us start with what we know about the divine, which is that it is one, it is whole, it is perfect, it is complete. There is not anything in the divine that is extra. There is not anything in the divine that came from somewhere else. All that God is, and that is perfect. It is whole, it is complete. That which is all-powerful could not be against itself in any way, in any shape, in any form, or it would have canceled itself out. But it is. It is perfect harmony. Every aspect of itself works in perfect harmony with every other aspect of itself. We can see this harmony as it exists in nature. The bees and the flowers work in harmony. The birds of the air and the food that they eat work in harmony. The seagulls flying out to catch their fish are working in harmony, all for the betterment, all for the expansion, all for the increase. We are not just mere observers of this harmony. We are an integral part of it. The divine life has created us out of itself as an individualized expression of itself. And it has left us alone to make the discovery, and it has left us alone to direct our consciousness into a greater experience of this unity. We could not breathe if we were not part of the one. We could not eat and digest our food if we were not already one with it. So we recognize then that all that God is, perfect order, perfect harmony, perfect peace, perfect poise, all of that is our true nature. So we open ourselves up today for a greater experience of the activity and the presence of the divine in, as, and through us, particularly in this thing called health. Every cell, every organ, every tissue of our bodies, every emotion, every thought is now unified and aligned with the perfection that God is. There is no sickness, there is no disease in the mind of God. It is that divine knowledge that is now manifesting itself in our bodies. And anything unlike divine perfection is now dissolved into the nothingness from which it came. We accept only the goodness, only the love, and only the kindness of the divine. We are grateful to know that there is a power in the universe that responds to us according to our belief. And we release this treatment to that power, knowing so certainly that perfect health is now this instant manifesting itself in every cell, every organ, every tissue, every function of our bodies. We release it together.